Hey guys, welcome back. Just a quick update. This is the new project. It's a 1940s Wolseley, and basically it's just here for some bodywork and repaint. Not a bad old girl, but she's had the most horrendous paint job you could imagine done on her. And so I don't know how well you can see this, but yeah, that is pretty bad. So we're going to be just taking her down, getting rid of this old whatever it is. I don't even know if it's actual automotive paint. Some of it's been brush painted, some of it's been sprayed, and up on the roof some of it is actually feels like it's been rolled on. I mean, this is all just nasty. So over the next few days we're going to get her into the shop, get her torn down, and start the process of sanding back and getting her refinished. This is not going to be a full-on how to paint a car. This is just basically going to be more the steps I go through to get this car to a reasonable condition. There is another channel I'll put a link to called Paint Society. They do great stuff, a lot of tips over there, so if you want an in-depth look on how to paint and different techniques, I'll go take a look. But plan for today is get her off the trailer. She is runs and drives fine, and then just start getting all the bright work, lamps, etc. removed. The jet going over just to make things interesting. Yeah, I mean, look at this. I mean, they even managed to paint, I don't know if you can see that, but they even managed to paint part of the side step, and they didn't even take them off. This is just, oh my god, this is horrendous. Well, they did kind of paint inside the doors, but they've even painted down the edges of the door cards. I mean, this is just the most, I don't know, I don't even know how to describe it. It's just, I've never seen anything as bad as this. I mean, whoever did this is, yeah, this is a proper hack job. You know, it's, I'm hoping it comes off easily though. But the first step is I'm going to just get it taken apart, get it sanded, and then at least get it all sealed. Yeah, some of the electrics on it as well want a little bit of a going over. I'm not getting into like a full rewire or anything on it, I'll just basically make it safe, but yeah, there's some real hideous electrical connections on it as well, so anything I take off I'll put a correct connector back onto it. So there she is. Stay tuned and see how we get along with her. Have a good one.